It was a quiet afternoon, and the sun peeked through the living room window. Hamdan and his little sister Rania were busy drawing when their mum walked in with a big smile and a wooden box full of pink cubes. "Come here, my curious builders," she said cheerfully. "Today we are going to explore something very special, the Montessori Pink Tower." Hamdan's eyes widened. "What's that?" "It's a sensorial activity," Mom explained as she placed a small rug on the floor. "These are 10 pink cubes, all the same color but different in size, from the biggest to the tiniest. And we're going to build a tower." Rania clapped. "A pink tower? Yay!" Mom picked up the biggest cube gently with 2 hands. "Watch how I carry it carefully. We always use both hands to carry the cubes so we don't drop them." She placed the largest cube on the mat. Then, one by one, she brought each cube and placed them randomly on the mat, inviting Hamdan and Rania to help. "You can help me carry them. Look, this one is big, this one is bigger, and this tiny one is the smallest," Hamdan said. "This one is heavier too." "Exactly. You're learning new words and comparing sizes. That's called vocabulary. And guess what? You're also using your math brain by thinking about size and order." Once all the cubes were spread on the mat, Mom knelt down and began building the tower slowly. She chose the biggest cube and placed it first, then the next biggest one on top, stacking them from largest to smallest. Rania leaned forward. "It's getting taller." When the last, tiniest cube was placed at the very top, Mom paused and smiled. "There, the pink tower is complete." But then she gently took it down. "Now," she said softly, "would you like to try?" Hamdan eagerly began. He picked up a cube and started stacking, but halfway through he put a smaller cube under a bigger one. Uh-oh. The tower wobbled and fell. "Oh no," said Hamdan. Mom smiled and said, "That's okay. The tower fell because the cubes weren't in the right order. That's called a control of error. It helps you fix your own mistake." Rania picked up a cube. "Let's try again." This time, they sorted the cubes from biggest to smallest first. Together, they built the tower carefully, and this time, it stood tall and steady. "We did it!" they cheered. Mom hugged them both. "You built it all by yourselves. That's what learning looks like, trying, thinking, fixing, and smiling." Hamdan and Rania high-fived each other. The pink tower wasn't just a stack of cubes, it was a tower of teamwork, thinking, and fun.